Hello everyone, myself Divya Sujan Thakre, student of Shivaji Rao Donde College of Pharmacy, Asangaon, studying in 3rd year B Pharm. Today I am going in explain you formulation and preparation of cold cream and vanishing cream under the guidance of Miss Geeta Mohire ma'am, professor and principal of our college. So, cream. Creams are defined as a semi-solid dosage form containing one or more drug substances dissolved or dispersed in a suitable base. In USP 18, creams are defined as semi-solid emulsions of either oil in water or water in oil type. Then semi-solid emulsions usually mediated intended for external applications. Types of creams. Classified, although there are so many number of creams, have classified them into few categories. First, as example, are makeup creams in the slice of vanishing creams and foundation creams. Second, and the cleansing creams. Third are creams for winter, like cold creams. Fourth are creams for dry skin, like moisturizing cream. And all-purpose creams, night creams, and skin protective and hand creams. Ingredients used in skin creams. So let's try to understand. So as I have told, two phases in the creams. First is the oily phase and is the aqueous phase. Aqueous phase, that means cleaning water as one of the components. Second are the different substances like oil waxes. They have makes over oily phase. So oily phase, if phase can be made up by this student, this like different types of the oil. So then a talk of a mineral oil. Mineral, it can be light liquid paraffin, heavy liquid paraffin. Then next, glyceride oil, like almond oil, arachis oil and castor oil. Then fats are generally fats used as lauric, palmitic, stearic acid and sesame oil, olive oil, cocoa butter and peanut oil. Oil fats. The other substances are waxes like carnauba wax and beeswax. Lanolin. Other types of lanolin. Lanolin is very important during the formulation of creams. Lanolin is generally derived from the wool fat. Then other substances are like glycols, ethylene glycol, diethylene glycol and propylene glycols. Colors like saffron, chlorophyll and cochineal. Emollients. Emollients are actually provide moisturize effect created in the skin and they enhance the skin hydration levels. For example, different types of moisturizer like mineral oils, squalene and lanolin. Then there are other emulsifying agents. They can other like inorganic solids. Is for example bentonite and kaolin. Gums and proteins. Example gum arabic, gum tragacanth, gelatin, egg albumin. So other substances which are used in formulation of cream. So wetting agent. Wetting agent are type of surface active agents and lower surface tension. Example of soaps, sulfonated oils, fatty alcohols, sulfate and sulfated fatty esters and amides. Next, humectants. Humectants like protein acid and polysaccharides. Perfumes like white loss, rosy dreams, orange blobs. And some functional raw materials like vitamins, amino acid and anti-inflammatory agents may also be incorporated in creams. So, moisturizing cream. Creams which are restore water or moisture and plasticizes the stratum corneum, provides its flexibility and makes it soft. These types of creams are known as moisturizing cream. Moisturizer or emollients are complex mixture of chemical agents specially designed to make the external layers of the skin softer and more reliable. The main function of moisturizer is to prevent your skin from becoming dry. Formulation of moisturizing cream: stearic acid, lanolin, glycol monosterate, isopropyl acetate, glycerin, propylene glycol, triethanolamine, water, perfume and preservative. So next, vanishing cream. Creams which spread easily and seem to disappear rapidly when rubbed on the skin are termed as vanishing creams. These creams are composed of emollient esters, which these creams are composed of emollient esters which leave little apparent film on the skin. Traditional formula of vanishing creams are based on stearic acid. Stearic acid melts above body temperature and crystallizes in a form so as to be invisible, providing a non-greasy film. It also imparts attractive appearance to the cream. Vanishing cream gets the name from the fact that it leaves no trace when rubbed into the skin. These are oil in water emulsions that contains large percentage of water and stearic acid or other oleaginous components. After application, the continuous paste evaporates, leaving behind a thin residue film of the stearic acid. The main ideal properties of vanishing creams are high melting point, pure whiteness, rubbed easily on the skin, and very little odor and low iodine number. Formulation of vanishing cream are stearic acid, potassium hydroxide, glycerin, water, perfumes, and preservatives. So, procedure for preparation vanishing cream. Melt stearic acid in a china dish on a water bath in a beaker. Dissolve potassium hydroxide in water and glycerin to it. Heat the aqueous solution up to 70 degrees Celsius on water bath. When both aqueous and oily phase reaches the same temperature 20 degrees Celsius and add aqueous phase to melted stearic acid with constant stirring. Then remove the china dish from heat and continue the stirring. When the temperature rises 40 degrees Celsius, add perfume and mix uniformly until it becomes cool and a homogeneous cream is obtained. Then melt stearic acid in a china dish. On a water bath in a beaker, dissolve potassium hydroxide in water and glycerin to it. Heat the aqueous solution up to 70 degrees Celsius on water bath. Then both aqueous and oily phase reaches the same temperature 70 degrees Celsius. Add aqueous phase to melted stearic acid with constant stirring and remove the china dish from heat and continue the stirring. When the temperature reaches 40 degrees Celsius and add perfume and mix uniformly until it becomes cool and a homogeneous cream is obtained. Stearic acid melted in container by using water bath. Then potassium hydroxide dissolved in water and glycerin is added and heated to the temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. This is called aqueous phase. Slowly aqueous phase is added to the melted stearic acid. Perfume is added to the preparation when it attains 40 degrees Celsius. Cold cream. Cold cream is a water in oil type emulsion which when applied to skin, a cooling effect is produced due to slow evaporation of water present in the emulsion. Cold cream is an emulsion of fats and water which can be used to clean and soften the skin. Cold cream has been used to remove makeup gently at the end of day and it can also be used to soften tough skin on the knees and elbows or to keep skin protected from harsh winter weather. Then cold cream is prepared by saponification reaction between beeswax and alkali borax. These types of emulsions are water in oil type of emulsions. They produce cooling sensation by the evaporation of water after application of cream to the skin. Hence, they are known as cold creams. They should produce emollient action by the layer left on the skin after application. Should be non-occlusive. Used to moisturizer, makeup remover and cleanser. Formula of cold cream: white beeswax, liquid paraffin, borax, rose oil and water. Borax beeswax are used as an emulsifying agent. Cold cream is protective to the skin. Formula contains borax and beeswax. Borax soaps is obtained by free acid in the beeswax and borax. Procedure for preparation of cold cream. Weigh the required quantity of white beeswax and liquid paraffin and melt in a china dish by heating on a water bath up to 70 degrees Celsius. In a glass beaker, dissolve borax in water and heat up to 70 degrees Celsius. When both only and aqueous phases reaches the same temperature 70 degrees Celsius, gradually add solution to the melted beeswax dropped by with constant stirring. Then stir continuously until it becomes cool. Temperature lowers the 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Incorporate rose oil and mix uniformly until a homogeneous semi-solid mass is obtained. Heat the mineral oil and beeswax in a jagged vessel at 75 degrees Celsius and maintain heat. And another container, dissolve borax and preservative in water and heat to 75 degrees Celsius. Slowly add this aqueous phase to the mineral oil, beeswax heated oily phase and cool to 35 degrees Celsius and add perfumes. Evaluation of creams. Evaluation of cold cream and vanishing cream. Next, discuss about the evaluation the creams. The creams have to evaluate for certain parameters like a presence the foreign particles or grittiness is most the wide used that grittiness. So grittiness is not up to from the skin. So should be very smooth homogeneous mixture. So to trace that is small amount of cream and glass slides free the greens and it check for the presence of foreign particles against the diffuse the lag. Then parameters which are used evaluation of cream, the pH of the creams. So pH of cream, the different formulation determined by using digital pH meter. Or the next, viscosity. Viscosity is the homogeneous batch. So it is viscosity of the formulation was determined by used in Brookfield viscometer and different RPM temperature. Then condition and this are recorded. Other parameters of evaluation of creams are like sprayability. For the two sets of glass slides of standard dimension were taken, the cream's formulation were placed over on of the slides. Then other slides was placed on the top formulation such that the cream between two slides was pressed uniformly to form a thin layer. The sprayability was expressed in terms of time taken by two slides to slip off from the cream. Lesser the time taken for separation of two slides, better the sprayability. Sprayability is a very important test for the evaluation of creams. The other types of tests used the like irritancy test and the patch test. Two tests for sensitivity were used. Irritancy test. Make as a real 1 square centimeter on the left hand dorsal surface. The cream was applied to the specified area and time was noted. Irritancy, erythema, edema was checked if any for regular intervals up to 24 hours and reported. Irritancy test that is used as check for the presence of erythema oedema on the skin. It is being the 24 hours. The patch test. About 1 to 3 gram of cosmetic to be tested was applied onto the sensitive part of the skin. Control patches were also applied. The site of patch was inspected after 24 hours. This test for the sensitivity part of the skin is applied. Stability studies is very important. So how much extent of formulation remains stable. Soft is composed of two different phases, globule size and phase separation. Globule size 1 ml of cream diluted to 100 ml with glycerol. A few drops of this were transferred into a glass slides and was focused in a microscope by using iSpice micrometer. The diameter of 200 particles were determined randomly. And phase separation, the formulated cream was kept intact in a closed container at 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, not exposed to light. Phase separation was observed carefully every 24 hours for 30 days. Any change in phase separation was recorded. So, or conduct the stability studies as a check for the phase separation. So that is during the shelf life. Other sorts of study evaluation, that like partition coefficient of the cream and extractability. Partition coefficient of the cream. 50 mg of cream was taken in a separate funnel containing 1:1 ratio of for 7.4 n-hexane. Then solution was shaken occasionally and both phases were separated and filtered, and amount of solubilized in each phase was determined by measuring the observance using UV spectrometer. Extractability. Our formulation were filled in a standard collegial capped tube and sealed. The tubes was weighed and recorded. The tubes was placed between two glass slides and was clamped. A 500 gram weight was placed over the slide and cap was opened. The amount of cream were collected and weight. The amount of cream extruded was calculated and grades were allotted. Test is check out the how much amount of the cream able to extrude from the tube. Then again test is evaluated. A test is thermal test. Thermal stability. The formulated cream was inserted into glass bottle with the help of spatula and tape to settle to the bottom. Filled up to 2/3 capacity of bottle and insert, plug and tape the cap. Filled bottle was kept erect inside the incubator at 1 degree Celsius for 48 hours. The sample will pass the test if on removal from the incubator shows no oil separation or any other phase separation. So this test is very important because stability is very important parameters. When you talk about the two different phases, becomes this is a common problem be reported. They should any salt of the surface to, otherwise will you no use. The dispersion phase has to be within dispersion medium with a very good story, with very ethically. This is one of the very important taste of cream. Thank you.